Hi guys, good evening, dear friends and dear guys. Today we discuss the chemistry class for class 12th. Dear students, before starting the class, I want to say something. It is important for you means you encourage you. The topic that is all of you listen carefully. रख हौसला मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा, थक कर न बैठ ए मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मजा भी आएगा. Dear students, now we start the topic for class 12th. Dear class 12th students, in your course that one chapter, the name of the chapter that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. This is the chapter for class 12 students and this is the important chapter. The name of the chapter that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. So dear students, at first we want to discuss that what is the alcohols. Students, you know that alcohol means the compound which contain the OH group. Alcohol means the compound which contain the OH means hydroxyl group. So simply if we want to explain this in simple word, then we say that the compound containing by replacing of one hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon by hydroxyl group. Listen once again. The compound containing, in simple word we say that the compound obtaining by replacing one hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrogen by hydroxyl group called alcohols. Just like you know that, all of you pay attention, aliphatic hydrocarbon, just like you know that RH, this is the general formula. If this hydrogen replaced by hydroxyl group, hydroxyl means OH group, this is added and replaced the hydrogen means this hydrogen is replaced, then the compound, this is replaced and this is added, so the compound that obtained is the ROH. So this is the alcohol, this is alcohols and this is aliphatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic hydrocarbon. You know that hydrocarbon means the compound contain only carbon and hydrogen. जो कंपाउंड केवल कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन कंटेन करता है दैट इज द एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन. तो दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन. इफ दिस हाइड्रोजन इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय द हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप देन द कंपाउंड इज ऑब्टेन. अगर इसको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे और OH ऐड करेंगे तो द कंपाउंड ऑब्टेन दैट इज द अल्कोहल. तो द फर्स्ट टॉपिक, द चैप्टर, द नेम दैट इज अल्कोहल. तो वी से दैट अल्कोहल मींस द कंपाउंड obtaining by replacing, the compound obtaining by replacing hydrogen, one hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon by hydroxyl group. This is the alcohol. The second topic that is phenol. The same sentence, the compound which is obtaining by replacing one hydrogen from aromatic compound by hydroxyl group. You know that aromatic compound means just like this is the aromatic means the compound which contain the 6 carbon in the ring. Just like this is the chain of benzene. I'll have to listen carefully. This is the chain of benzene. Here the double bond, here the double bond and here. This is the structure of benzene. This is the aromatic compound. Why? Because there are 6 carbon. One carbon here, one carbon, one carbon, one carbon, one carbon, one carbon. And all carbon contain hydrogen. If one hydrogen replaced and adding OH, then what the compound obtained? That is this compound. This is OH. This is the phenol. So means the compound which is obtained by the replacing of one hydrogen from aromatic compound by the hydroxyl group, that is the alcohol, that is the phenol. Understand? Now we explain detail about the alcohol. All of you listen carefully. All of you focus here. At first we discuss about the classification of alcohols. Means how the alcohols are classified. All of you look here. There are two concepts for classification of alcohol. The first concept, that is compounds containing CsP3OH bond. You know that sp3 means single bonded. And the second classification, that the compounds containing CsP2OH bond. sp2 means the compound contain the double bonded. The carbon, double bonded carbon, that is the sp2 hybridized, and the single bonded carbon, that is the sp3 hybridized. On the basis of compounds containing CsP3OH bond, there are three types of alcohols. That one is the first category, that the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, and the second category, that is the allylic alcohols, and third is the benzylic alcohols. So there are three classification on the basis of CsP3OH. First is the primary, secondary and tertiary. Second is allylic alcohol and third is benzylic. All of you pay attention. हमने कहा कि CsP3 means the carbon which is single bonded, that is the sp3 hybridized. So what is the general formula of primary alcohol? Primary alcohol means the compound to contain RCH2OH group. The compound which contain RCH2OH group, that is the primary alcohol. यानी जिस कंपाउंड के लास्ट में या जिस कंपाउंड में CH2OH ग्रुप आएगा, that is the primary alcohol. For example, all of you look here. Just like we write here CH3 CH2OH. So this is the CH2OH, so this is the primary alcohol. You know that R means alkyl group. The compound R, that R means alkyl group, and the general formula of alkyl group, that is the CnH2n plus 1. अब R के प्लेस पर इसका फॉर्मूला, जैसे सपोज दैट यहाँ हमने अगर 3 रखा तो 3 2 जा 6 and 1 कितना हो गया 7. We put all these compound which follow this formula at the place of R. So if the compound contain RCH2OH, this is the primary alcohol, and the compound which contain, there are two alkyl group and the formula, that is CHOH. If the CHOH, then this is the secondary alcohol. And what is the third? Tertiary. If this contain the three alkyl group R1, R2 and 3, and the compound that contain RCOH, this CH2OH, primary alcohol, that is known as the 1 degree alcohol, and this is CHOH, this is the second degree, is 2 degree alcohol, and this is 3 degree alcohol. So this is the classification of primary, secondary and tertiary. Maybe all of you understand that if the compound contain RCH2O group, that is the primary 1 degree. If the compound R1, R2, CHOH group, this is the secondary. If the compound R1, R2, R3, COH, that is the tertiary. And the second classification, that is the allylic. All of you understand? The allylic, listen carefully. Allylic means the compound which contain the OH group after the double bond. Suppose that, listen, we write here the compound CH3, CH, double bond CH2. Here the double bond. If after the double bond any carbon are there and the OH contain this is the allylic alcohol. Allylic means the OH group joined just adjacent carbon of the double bond. यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है, डबल बॉन्ड के जस्ट बाद वाले कार्बन से अगर OH लगा होगा तो दैट इज द allylic alcohol. Maybe all of you understand that? Means देखिए यहाँ पर आपका क्या है, डबल बॉन्ड है, डबल बॉन्ड के जस्ट बाद वाले कार्बन से अगर OH लगा हुआ, चाहे इस साइड चाहे इस साइड, अगर सपोज दैट यहाँ पर CH2 इसके साथ OH लगा होगा तो दिस इज allylic, बिकॉज हियर द डबल बॉन्ड एंड आफ्टर द डबल बॉन्ड द कार्बन ऐड टू OH. अगर डबल बॉन्ड वाले बाद के कार्बन से OH लगा होगा तो दैट इज द allylic. Understand? And the third, that is category, that third is the benzylic. All of you listen once again. The third category on the basis of classification CsP3 hybridization, that is the benzylic. Benzylic means you know that this is the ring of benzene. All of you understand that? This is the ring of benzene. And if the OH group after the benzene ring, this is the benzylic alcohol. Benzylic means if the OH group add to the benzene group but after the ring, you know that this is the ring, अगर इस रिंग से डायरेक्ट OH अटैच हो जाएगा तो दिस इज नॉट बेंजाइलिक, बट बेंजीन रिंग के बाद जो कार्बन होगा अगर उससे OH ऐड होगा तो दैट इज द बेंजाइलिक अल्कोहल. If we want to give the second example, means next example, then the next example for that, suppose that this is the benzene ring. All of you look here. This is the benzene ring. Sorry, this is the benzene ring. Here the suppose that we write the CH. Here we write C, single bond CH3, single bond H, and here we write the OH. You know that the valency of carbon is 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After the benzene ring carbon add OH, so this is the also example of benzylic. Okay. The next category for the CsP2OH bond. sp2 means doubly bonded carbon. So the first category that is the vinylic. On this basis, there are two category of alcohols. That one is the vinylic and second is phenol. Vinylic, if the OH group join to just with double bond. जैसे सपोज दैट हमने अब लिखा आपको, सपोज दैट CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2OH. Here this is the double bond and with double bond carbon add the OH. This is the vinylic. But after the double bond carbon, that is the allyl. Clear? There are difference clear. Vinylic means if the OH add to the doubly bonded carbon, then this is the vinylic alcohol. And the next that is the phenol. Phenol means you know that if the OH group directly attached to benzene ring, this is the benzene ring. If the OH attached direct to